Our goal for the business management program is to provide you with real-world, hands-on business experience. So when you graduate from your program, you're ready to hit the ground running. So we start in our first class of the program, the Introduction to Business class, and the students start to think about what it would look like to build their own business. What really makes this program unique is you get to see you get to dabble in lots of different areas of business and really see what fits with you.
So the project that has been most valuable to me so far has been the business plan in the Introduction to Business course. This project involves creating your own business, how would you do it, advertising, your target markets, and it hits every spot on how to create a successful business in the future.
So we utilize textbooks and those types of tools, but then we also really take a look at the real world. So all of our courses are really designed to build students' soft skills. So when they leave, they have a whole, I always call it their toolbox for their resume. You have a whole toolbox that you can go back and share with a company and an interview and talk about how you are prepared for today's workforce. We do run the program on all 3 college campuses, and we do day classes, evening classes, plus we do have a fully online program.
I've taken advantage of doing half online and half in person because I get the time to be at home and work on courses by myself, and then again I can be in person and engage with other students as well.
So we have students who graduate who decide to go into just general management, operations management. We have lots of project managers and students that kind of take on more of that mid-level management role as they start their careers. And then we have other students who come to Gateway and they say, I'm here for my 2-year associate's degree, and then I'm going to move on to my 4-year degree at a different institution. If you're interested in business management, if you've thought about going into business or you've kind of wanted to start your own business, this is a great place and a great program to get you started in the business management world.